What's happening, guys? Welcome back to a new video. So this is the video you all been waiting for. It's a reveal of the M340, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so here it is, the reveal. Let's start with the front because that's where we need to start, because that's where the main impact was of the car. As you remember, it was impacted on this side here. Yeah, so we'll start with the modifications a bit later on. I've driven the car for 1 year now and gave it a good wash yesterday. Spent a good few hours cleaning it. It's an absolute beautiful car, and the other thing that was damaged was this side quarter panel that we replaced, and the rear bumper was it was damaged, so we replaced the rear bumper too. It's an absolute beast of a car. It's beautiful to drive. Best BM I've had so far, and I've had 2 BMs. This is my 3rd one. So yeah, the aligning's all perfect, as you can see. If you look at the bonnet line gaps on this side compared to the other side, it's all the same along here. It's because we got the chassis measurements correct, what they should be. With the modifications, we painted the grille gloss, well, I replaced it gloss black at the center one. The bottom ones I did paint. I did retrofit some laser headlights, which we'll talk about a bit later on. But I did paint the inserts all black. If you look at the standard laser headlights, they're all grey. I like this blue little light there, which is cool. I've changed the rims. I'm not going to show you these rims because I've curved the shit out of them. They got Michelin Pilot 4S's on there all round. I think this will be a good example to show. On the side, what we've done is we've got the new M3 M4 mirror cover style caps on, chameleon window tint, wrapped the roof carbon fibre, which I've just did about a few weeks ago. Got the M Sport side skirts. On the front, we did have an AC Snitzer splitter, which basically fell off. There's not a name for this rear diffuser, but it looks quite cool. This is like a CS style carbon fibre spoiler. Got another one right here. Got my rear number plate tinted, changed the badge to black. Quad exhaust on the back, and if you look there, you've got a Miltech exhaust system. So yeah, it's a beautiful motor. We've done a few bits and bobs on the inside, but I'll just show you the engine bay before we get in and talk about the rest of the car and what other modifications I've done. So on the engine, obviously I've got a map on there, but I've painted the engine cover. This will be gone tomorrow. I've got a CTS intake which I brought before Christmas, which I'm going to install most probably tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. So let's get in and we can talk about the rest of the stuff. Yes guys, so with the performance modifications, I haven't done much. So the only thing that's left is a exhaust downpipe, a sports cap that I'm going to put. I'm not going to go catless. I've gone catless before and it's disgusting. So we've got a Miltech back box on. We've got an OPF Miltech delete. So that adds about 20 brake when you take that off. It sounds much better when you take that off. Otherwise the car's still too quiet. I've got a CTS intake which I brought from the States. That's gonna get fitted most probably tomorrow or so. I'm gonna video that anyway. Got a draggy box and I've got a tune on the car. So with the draggy box, we've been getting a time of 3.2 seconds 0 to 60, which is crazy figures for this car. Pushing just under 500 brake. We'll most probably get some more power out of it once we get a sports cat on there. With the inside, we haven't done much. I've put a bit of carbon fibre on. So along the steering wheel, got the M4 M3 paddles. I've coded the cluster to the Alpina dials. Fitted a new dash in, the seat belts, bit of carbon fibre there. Got some left along here still to do. Other than that, that's it. I'll most probably lower the car on Ibex springs. HRE, I've got them on my last BM and they're absolutely a pain. You know how the UK roads are, you just get potholes and all sorts, so it's crazy. It's a horrible ride. I feel like taking them off, to be honest with you. Yeah, what else is there? So what we'll do next is we'll go for a drive and we can talk more about the car. But yeah, it's absolute a beast of a car. I've done 20,000 miles since November 2020, which is a lot of miles. So the car sounds much better now that it's gone through the miles, because obviously the cat and stuff needs to break down a little. Okay guys, let's go for a little drive. I know I haven't been active much on YouTube, just been busy with work, but getting back onto it. Gonna keep uploading content. Got another project in for the garage. I brought myself a Toyota Aygo, so that's gonna be my next project, doing a facelift on there. But yeah, this car is an absolute beast of a car. As soon as you put it in sports, or I've got it in sports anyway, so it's pushing under 500 brake. So yeah, it just flies. Absolute quick car. Made a huge difference just putting a map on the car. I know the intake will make a big difference, because it's meant to be one of the best intakes out there so far, and it gives you 20 bhp extra. So yeah, car sounds absolutely immense. Not sure if the camera will do it justice, but we'll see when I upload the video if it is any good. Handling's good. At top speed sometimes it is a bit it feels a bit unstable. That's when you're at really high speeds. So it might just need lowering. So that's what I'm thinking of, putting the car on ibex springs, so it'll obviously have it slightly lower. With ibex springs you don't lose the comfort apparently, so need to see. Okay guys, so I'm back at the garage, so I hope you guys have enjoyed that video. If you guys have any more questions, give me a shout. It's a long time since I've done a video, and I hope I've covered all the areas that you guys wanted to know about. If there's anything else, just drop a message down below or message me on Instagram and I'll help you guys out, and I'll answer all your questions. And just let me know what you guys want to see next. Do you want to see like a 0 to 60 video or quarter mile? So we can do that, and hopefully I want to try hitting a track day. I do want to go Europe in this car. Before I do sell it, I will do a Europe road trip. Yeah, so I hope you guys have liked this video. If you have, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you share the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you later.